Do you ever feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders, even before your day has truly begun? That deep exhaustion that greets you the moment you open your eyes, making it hard to even get out of bed? You push through the day, relying on cup after cup of coffee just to function. But when night falls, your mind won't quiet down and restful sleep feels out of reach. This endless cycle wears you down, making even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming and impossible to finish. Playing with your kids or grandkids leaves you breathless, and when you catch your reflection, you see someone who looks older and more tired than you feel inside. You've tried every diet, every new exercise trend, and even given up your favorite foods, but nothing seems to make a real difference. It's not just about how you look. It's about missing out on moments, losing your spark, and feeling disconnected from the life you want to live. The extra weight isn't just a number on a scale. It's a heavy burden on your body, your mind, and your spirit. You deserve to feel light, energetic, and truly at peace with yourself, waking up refreshed and ready for the day. You're not alone. Millions of people feel this way every day, searching for a real, lasting solution that actually works. They want something that addresses exhaustion and stubborn weight at the root, not just another quick fix or empty promise. There's a need for a holistic answer, one that honors the deep connection between your energy, your sleep, and your overall health. Today, I want to share a breakthrough that offers real hope and a new path forward. Let's discover together what's possible when you finally break free from this exhausting cycle and reclaim the vibrant life you deserve. Meet Sarah, a 52-year-old mother and grandmother from Ohio, whose warmth and laughter light up every room she enters. For years, Sarah lived in a fog, battling constant fatigue and sleepless nights that left her feeling drained and disconnected from the life she loved. She tried every diet and workout she could find, but the pounds always returned, leaving her feeling defeated and frustrated, as if nothing would ever change. She missed the energy to play with her grandkids, watching from the sidelines and fearing for her health and future. Then, one day, a caring friend told her about GlutLess, a faith-based wellness system designed to support real transformation. Skeptical but hopeful, Sarah decided to give it a try, trusting that maybe this time could be different. Within a week, she noticed a change. She slept deeply and woke up refreshed, something she hadn't felt in years. Her energy was steady throughout the day, her cravings faded away, and the weight began to come off naturally, without struggle. Today, Sarah is 28 pounds lighter, but more importantly, she's vibrant, present, and able to truly enjoy every moment with her family. She feels like herself again, full of life, hope, and a renewed sense of purpose. Sarah's story is proof that transformation is possible, no matter how long you've struggled. You don't have to settle for exhaustion and frustration. There is hope for a brighter, healthier future. There's a path to renewed energy, joy, and a life you love waiting for you. Let's see how GlutLess makes this possible and how it can help you reclaim your own story of hope. So, what is GlutLess? It's a biblically inspired two-part wellness system designed to restore your body's natural energy and sleep cycles for healthy weight loss. Unlike single-pill solutions, GlutLess works around the clock, honoring your body's God-given rhythms. The system includes GlutLess Energy for daytime vitality and GlutLess Sleep for deep, restorative rest. The formulas use earth-grown ingredients, combining modern science with biblical wisdom. This isn't magic. It's about supporting your body with what it truly needs. GlutLess targets the real obstacles, fatigue and poor sleep, which sabotage weight loss. By restoring balance, your body can finally let go of excess weight naturally. It's a holistic approach for lasting transformation. Let's look inside the formula. When it comes to supplements, purity and safety matter. GlutLess is made in the USA in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility, ensuring top quality. The formula is all natural, plant-based, non-GMO, gluten-free, and stimulant-free. Instead of harsh chemicals, GlutLess uses adaptogens like rhodiola for energy and L-tyrosine for stress support. For sleep, it includes melatonin and magnesium to help you relax and reset. No jitters, no crashes, just gentle, effective support. Every ingredient is chosen for purity and effectiveness. You can trust GlutLess to work in harmony with your body. It's a product built on integrity and transparency. Now, let's explore the real-life benefits. GlutLess isn't just about weight loss. It's about total transformation. First, you'll feel a surge of natural, all-day energy. No jitters, just steady vitality. Second, you'll enjoy deep, restorative sleep, waking up refreshed and ready. Third, your metabolism will function optimally, making weight loss easier and more sustainable. Fourth, it's stimulant-free, so you avoid crashes and dependency. Finally, GlutLess is spiritually aligned, supporting your health journey in harmony with your faith. These 5 blessings touch every part of your life. Imagine feeling energized, sleeping well, and seeing real results. That's the GlutLess difference. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from real people. The GlutLess community is filled with inspiring stories of real transformation. Stories that go far beyond just numbers on a scale. These are journeys of renewed hope, restored energy, and lives reclaimed. David P., a 61-year-old pastor, wrote, "My ministry suffered because I was always tired. Since GlutLess, I sleep through the night, have energy for my family, and lost 22 pounds. I feel like I can truly serve my community again." Maria G., a teacher and mother of 3, shared, "After my 3rd child, I was exhausted and disconnected. GlutLess gave me gentle energy, deep sleep, and I lost 34 pounds. I feel like myself again, and my kids notice the difference every day." Brenda L., a 65-year-old retiree, said, "My golden years felt anything but golden. With GlutLess, I sleep soundly, have energy for my hobbies, and lost 18 pounds. My joint pain improved, and I got my retirement back. I'm finally enjoying life again." These are everyday people, not actors. Proof that GlutLess works for real lives, in real situations. Their stories show that when you address energy and sleep, everything changes. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a new outlook. You can reclaim your health, your confidence, and your life. Imagine waking up each day feeling truly refreshed and ready to take on new challenges. The GlutLess community is growing every day, welcoming new members who are ready for change. Will your story be next? The first step is always the hardest, but you're not alone. Real results are possible when you choose a holistic solution that supports your whole self. It's time to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision for your future. Let's be honest about what to expect. Change takes commitment, but the rewards are real. Here's what you need to know before you decide. Take your time and trust your journey. GlutLess is changing lives. Yours could be next. The possibilities are within your reach. Let's look at the big picture: your health, your happiness, and your future. Let's be transparent about GlutLess. The pros: a holistic, 24-hour approach targeting energy and sleep, all natural ingredients, top manufacturing standards, and a faith-friendly philosophy. It's safe, effective, and aligns with your values. The main con? GlutLess is only available through the official website, not in stores. Supplies can be limited due to high demand and quality standards. You may need to order in advance to avoid running out. While this ensures authenticity, it can be inconvenient for some. Still, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. If you're ready for real change, GlutLess is worth considering. Now, let's talk about your exclusive offer. I've partnered with GlutLess to bring you a special, risk-free offer. For a limited time, you can get significant discounts on multi-bottle packages. The best value comes from the 3 or 6 bottle bundles, ensuring you have enough for lasting results. Every order is protected by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Try GlutLess for 2 months. If you're not thrilled, get a full refund. There's no risk, only the chance to reclaim your energy and health. Supplies are limited, so don't wait. The time for transformation is now. Today, you've learned how GlutLess can help you break free from fatigue, poor sleep, and stubborn weight. You've heard real stories and seen the science and faith behind this unique system. Now, the choice is yours. Imagine waking up rested, energized, and confident. This isn't a distant dream, it's within reach. GlutLess supports your body's natural balance, risk-free. The only risk is doing nothing and letting another day slip by. You deserve to feel your best, for yourself and your loved ones. Supplies are limited, so act now. Click the link below to claim your discounted package. Invest in your health, happiness, and spirit. Begin your journey to a vibrant, joyful life. Click now and take the first step toward transformation.